What are Twitch founder badges and how do they work? My name is Trui and I make stream and support videos. Stream smarter, not harder. But before I begin, I stream every Tuesday and Friday, 8 PM Central European Time on twitch.tv/Trui. Hop in and ask any questions. Twitch streamers will get founder badges when they reach Twitch affiliate. Partners also have founder badges. If you're a Twitch affiliate, you have 10 founder badges. And if you're a Twitch partner, you have 25. If you are a Twitch affiliate and you've grown to be a partner, you actually get 25. So what are these badges? Basically, they're the first people that subscribe to your channel, ever. So for my channel, I don't know who those 10 are because I've been streaming for 3.5 years and it's kind of hard to figure out which were the 10 first people. But I have a second channel in Dutch as well, where I actually know every 10 and I know which ones have the founder badge because we started in January with that one. It started to rain super loudly, so I hope you guys don't hear that. If you do, sorry for that. So what's the easiest way to get a founder badge? It's to go to somebody's channel who just got affiliate and subscribe. Usually people that just get affiliated, they know how many subscribers they have, and if they don't have more than 10, you're probably getting that founder badge. There's a couple of rules though. You can subscribe for yourself or receive a gifted sub. But if you give a sub to somebody else, you are not getting that founder badge. Is that something you can do with the founder badge? Well, it's just a badge in front of your name. It's replacing the sub badge and just letting them know that you were one of the first. You are one of the OGs. My friend Skinny just recently got a Twitch affiliate. I'm not sure if he has all his 10 badges already, but I'm gonna try it. I'm gonna just subscribe to his channel and see if I can get a founder badge. I'm not sure if he gave them out already, but we're gonna see.
Trui, thank you for the subscription. Wow. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Apparently I didn't have the 10
Hey
yet.
Amber, how are you doing?
So I get the founder badge now.
You get that badge now, right? Yep. You got a founder badge now. Trui. You trying to explain how the founder badge works? Hello everyone, and welcome to another Trui video. And this video should help you yet again to improve your stream and be better at streaming. Stream harder, stream smarter, not harder, alright?
Yes, the other way around, Skinny. So I just got the founder badge on Skinny stream. I will leave a link down to his stream in the description below if you guys are interested. So what can I do if I want his normal badge instead of this founder badge? I just click on the cogwheel, click on identify, and I click on edit. If you want to hide this badge, here in the default global settings, you can click on their badge, but Skinny doesn't have a custom badge yet, so it's not in here yet and we can't click on it. I have to say though that this setting is for all the subscribed channels you are on, so if you set this from the founder badge to another badge, you will never see the founder badge in those other channels as well. I mean, you can keep changing it the whole time, but if you want to like change it once and never touch it again, you need to choose the one or the other for all the channels you're subscribed to. And there's another question a lot of people of you might have is, can we lose our founder badge? You can, but it's not really likely. If you get banned from Twitch for indefinitely, you will lose your badge because you will not be in Twitch anymore. The second reason is if the broadcaster will actually be banned, because then they won't be on Twitch anymore and you can't be in their chat having that badge. That's kind of a third way, which is not really that you don't have the badge anymore. You still have the badge, but it's just hidden. And that's if you don't subscribe. So if you have not gotten an active subscription on the channel, what happens is that your badge will be hidden. But as soon as you subscribe again to that channel, your badge will appear again and you will have the founder badge. So say you subscribe right now, the first month of the streamer, you get that founder badge, you don't subscribe for 3 years, and after that you subscribe again, you will have that founder badge again. It will always be yours. If you weren't one of the first 10 to subscribe to a channel, you still have a chance on the founder badge. If anybody before you got banned, then the 11th person will get the badge. If 2 people, the 12th person will get the badge. Also, if this Twitch affiliate gets partner, they got 25 slots. So then the first 25 will get the badge. And even if you're number 26, one of them can be banned from Twitch and you get that badge instead of them. You probably want to learn more about Twitch. So let's jump into this playlist where I explain a lot about Twitch, like a lot. I'll see you there.